Alright, so this is the Samsung Galaxy S26, Samsung's latest flagship for 2026, and at first glance, it might look familiar, but there's some important refinements here. In this video, we're going to go through everything: design, display, performance, camera, battery, and features, and see what this phone is really like to use. Let's get started. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S26 keeps Samsung's signature clean and minimal look. It comes with an aluminum frame paired with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and the back, so it feels solid and premium while still being durable for everyday use. The size is relatively compact for a flagship, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. You also get IP68 water and dust resistance, which means it can handle splashes, rain, and even accidental drops into water. Overall, the design is simple, but very refined. Moving on to the display, and this is one of Samsung's strongest areas. The Galaxy S26 features a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is sharp, smooth, and very vibrant, with excellent contrast and deep blacks. It also supports HDR content, so watching videos on this phone looks great. Brightness is strong enough for outdoor use, and overall, this is exactly the kind of display you expect from a flagship Samsung device. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 is powered by either an Exynos chipset or a Snapdragon chipset, depending on your region. Performance is fast and responsive, whether you're scrolling, switching between apps, or playing games. The phone comes with 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 512 GB, which is more than enough for most users. For daily use, everything feels smooth and consistent. On the software side, the Galaxy S26 runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI on top. The interface is clean, customizable, and packed with useful features. Samsung is also known for long-term software support, which makes this phone a solid choice for long-term use. Now let's talk about cameras. On the back, you get a triple camera setup: 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The main camera delivers sharp and detailed photos, especially in good lighting. Colors are slightly vibrant, which is typical for Samsung. The ultra-wide is great for landscape shots, and the telephoto lens helps with zoom without losing too much quality. For video, the phone supports high-resolution recording, and stabilization is very good for handheld shots. The Galaxy S26 is equipped with a 4,300 mAh battery. In everyday use, it should comfortably last a full day. Charging is supported with fast wired charging, along with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, so you can also charge accessories like earbuds directly from your phone. For connectivity, you get 5G support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB Type-C. There's also an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is fast and reliable. And of course, Samsung's ecosystem features like seamless device integration are still here. So, what do you get with the Samsung Galaxy S26? This is not a dramatic redesign, but it's a well-balanced and refined flagship. You're getting a premium design, excellent display, smooth performance, reliable cameras, and solid battery life. It's a phone that focuses on doing the essentials really well. And for many people, that's exactly what matters. And that's the Samsung Galaxy S26. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.